shining star 그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 Baby you are my everything 그대만 느껴요 다시 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 눈은 뜨지 마요 그대
Missing someone.
Hey guys, SP here. I'm back with another study vlog. So I'm currently doing my final year in BSc Horns Agriculture. So I'm heading to a nearby village as a part of student ready program to work with a farmer. And then I met my friend and we are going together. That was a glimpse of that village, and on my way back to home, I bought some fruits and vegetables. I'm back home and mom is ready with some roasted cashew nuts, and I really enjoyed my evening snack. I just took a good nap and I finally managed to get back to my desk after a really long, busy day. Now I decided to work on percentages, but I needed a push to start off. Then I took my phone and started playing a YouTube lecture and then continued to work out. I continued to work out on percentages for a good 40 minutes, and if you're watching me for a while, then you know that it's my dinner time. And guess what? I have chicken for today's dinner. Chicken was super yummy, and yeah, I started again from where I have stopped before dinner. After that, I have started revising some concepts from my very own quant notes, and then I am rushing to solve some previous year questions. For that, I chose Oswald 23 years previously solved question papers. I have shown this book in my previous vlogs too. I recently bought this book and I can't say how good this book is. If you don't know this book already, this book contains 23 years chapter-wise and topic-wise solved question papers, which is strictly as per the scheme of examination for CAT 2021 issued by IIMs on 1st August 2021. This book also contains CAT subject-wise trend analysis, sample question papers, concept-wise revision notes, and mind maps and mnemonics. Now let's choose our topic, which is percentages. Yeah, look here. We entered percentages and all the concepts of percentages are summarized in a single page, and it definitely makes a CAT aspirant's job easy, doesn't it? I have shared my genuine review on this book. If you think it will be useful for you in your preparation, then go ahead and check out the description. You'll find a link to buy this book. I quickly scanned that summary of percentages and then I started solving some previous year questions from that topic. A gentle reminder for you guys, if you're watching me for a while now and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit that bell button so that you will get notified when I upload a new video. Don't leave guys, this is not the end of the video because it's just 7:40 and I still want to study for some more hours. what actually happened was my phone storage was full and I couldn't record that part of the video where I stayed up to 11 pm. But because of that, you will see me studying only up to 10 pm. But it's okay. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.